Now you might have seen these mushrooms before and thought to yourself, wow, they're so beautiful, but what are they? Today I'm going to discuss 3 lion's mane mushroom benefits for your mind, body, and garden. And in my opinion, these are some of the most beautiful and majestic looking out of all the mushrooms because they can either look like large puff balls like these, or they can look like these cascading, majestic, non-forking spines of a white beard. Welcome to True Freedom Permaculture, where I show you all the tips and tricks you need to have a green thumb, even if you weren't born with one. Now, lion's mane mushrooms have the amazing ability to reverse cognitive deterioration, and they can stimulate the growth of NGF proteins in the body. NGF stands for nerve growth factor. These proteins help to soften and even mitigate the effects of diseases such as Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, and dementia. They also have the ability to repair and regenerate neurons in the body. Lion's mane mushrooms are also nootropics, and nootropics are substances which are supposed to supercharge your cognitive abilities. They can help improve memory and concentration, and unlike the drugs that people take to do these things, lion's mane mushrooms are said to have no known side effects. Now, if you know that these diseases such as Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, and dementia run in your family, what a great idea it would be to teach your children how to inoculate mushroom logs with lion's mane, and that way they can pass this down generation to generation to hopefully improve and maintain their health. Lion's mane contains high levels of antioxidants, which can assist with chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation in the body has been linked to things such as heart disease, cancers, and rheumatoid arthritis. In traditional Chinese medicine, they use lion's mane mushroom to help prevent cancer in the gastrointestinal tract and to heal other stomach ailments. In hardwood areas, especially in subtropical environments, lion's mane mushrooms can be instrumental in recycling fallen trees, while at the same time producing mushroom harvests. They also have the ability to digest certain pathogens, which means that you can use lion's mane mushrooms to establish a mushroom filter through which water can pass, and this fungal filter will help to prevent bacterial infections. This can be especially useful if you live around a farm, because unfortunately livestock is a huge source of these types of pathogens. Talk about a brain food! This beautiful and noble looking mushroom has some fantastic research-backed effects on your mind, body, and edible landscape. Another really powerful medicinal mushroom are shiitake mushrooms, and they have their own unique abilities and superpowers. If you're interested in learning more about those with me, click on this video that's coming up and I'll see you over there.